Hi, today we are going to discuss the Edexcel 2023 May WMA1101. This we have to do question number 29. Sorry, question number 9. Trigonometric sum. This is very important sum. It will explaining. The figure show part of the graph trigonometric function y equal fx. Like graph. So maximum 3, minimum minus 3. So x equals 0, y equals 3. So write down the equation like we first understanding what type is a cos graph or sine graph. We know that only one graph I explained, like this is 0, this is 5 over 2, this is 5, this is 3 5 over 2, that 2 5, and that minus 5 over 2 and minus 5, minus 3 5 over 2, and like minus 2 5. We know that cos 0 1, right, cos 0 1 9, so that this is a minus 1 1, cos 0 1, cos 5 over 2 0, 5 minus 1 3 5 over 2 0, that graph shape like this is a graph shape. First you identify 0 1, so 0 that 3, 90 is 0 that. Now first you identify what is the graph shape, y equal cos x graph. Now that we know cos x graph, cos x depend minus 1 and plus 1. So that y coordinate only in now this multiplies 3 is that y, this is 1 no, y coordinate multiply 3 is x does not change. The meaning that type graph called this multiply 2's mean y equal 2x, this y equal 2 cos x, this y equal cos x, like will go this way, this will go 2x, this y equal 3 cos x graph. Okay, first your first answer y equal 3 cos x, this graph y equal 3 cos x, because maximum and minimum change enlarge, that x coordinate does not change. Okay, so that front any number that's a multiply only y coordinate, x does not change. This I understand that one. Fine. Then after sketch the graph minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi. The graph y equal x plus if x plus 5 over that graph. Okay, so that graph, this y equal fx graph already he gave. Now this what is the equation? Y equal f x plus 5 over 4. Okay, the meaning already the fx mean y equal 3 cos x graph. This one 3 is there. Then that graph only y coordinate, that's the 3 minus 3 does not change. X coordinate moving, that x plus 5 over 4 equals 0, x equal minus 5 over 4. That's the way. So that graph moving that a 5 over 4, that position comes that one. Okay, so this come another 5 over 4 like this point. Okay, meaning like 5 over 2 addition 5 over 4, 3 5 over 4 that. So that position moving, this is a meaning graph come that. Okay. So these another 504 become like this point, and this a 504 come like that. This point. Then you have put this y equal 3 cos x 504. Okay. So x equal 0. That cos 504 root, it's a 3 over root 2. That value. That 3 over root 2. So that another point will go. It's a minus 3504. Okay. So that point minus 504. Right. So that way. So we can draw that graph. I think you know this. This is a moving left hand side 504 that graph. Y does not change. No graph become like this. You can draw a separate graph like this. This is a video, no? Like this is a new graph. I think. Okay. So that we are going to erase this original graph. This is a new graph. This is a method you use pencil and moving like this. This is a moving like this is a 3504 like that a graph. Okay, this shape. Y does not change. That part okay. I think you understand. Okay, so that complete. Now we are going to erase. Now second part. I think this is not hard. Y does not change like same. X plus 504 equals 0 minus 1. That original graph, x-axis you are moving that 504 left hand side, they draw that mass like the same graph. That's a method. Okay. Uh, now we are going to resist solve. Another graph is there. I think more times follow my. I explain this in my classes all the no any hesitation and problem. Okay, one by one. Right. Now question number 2. Now just gave that graph. That's 0, 0, 5 over 2, that 5, okay, that 3 5 over 2, 2 5, 2 5, that also minus 5 over 2, minus 5, right. So that graph gave this a 1, this a minus 1. Like this. Y equal gx plus gx. Okay. So we know this 0, 0. We know actually y equals sin x, x equals 0, y equals sin 0. 0. This a graph shapes sin x graph. Because we know sin pi over to 1 of this is 0. Mean this you identify that graph come y equal sin 2x. That's your answer. Now this is 5 over 4. That 5 over 4 means 5 over 2 1. So 5 over 2 means 0 like this. This is your graph y equal sin 2x graph. That is gave one gx graph. This is y equal sin 2x. I think you understand, okay? Because it depends data, no, that's why I quickly explain. So then gx minus 2. Yeah. Now that graph, that point will come 2 units down. Only way. So that point, gx minus 2 means vertically down 2 units, x does not change. Okay. Now that 2 units, that become that place. Right. So right. Now this original graph vertically 2 units down. Now that point come 2 units down that point. So this is a maximum 1, 2. This minimum point 1, 2. That point 1, 2. So that 1, 2. That point 2 is 1, 2. So that graph shape down. Only. Okay. So other sides also. Now that point come that. So these point, these like this and this point like this. So that a graph, I think you understanding. Okay. So y equal dx minus 2. That's the way. This is a transformation graph. Very interesting. Okay. So thank you so much. Watch my video. Now my new channel now. Very very important. Subscribe my channel. That's when I explaining or uploaded a new past papers. Easily you can find the uh, new channel. Maths expert Hema, right? Telephone number 071-800-5772. My name and Facebook also same name. Hema Gunasekar. If you need to classes, Edexcel, GCSE, and IGSE, Cambridge also, and this ACE, P1, P2, S1, M1, A levels, Edexcel and Cambridge, P3, P4, M2, FP1 all, FP2, FP3, local syllabus GC O level, single and English medium, GCE A level, combined with single and English medium. So very important thing, subscribe my channel. Okay. So thank you so much. Watch my video.